Namaste. Today we're going to practice together some pranayama known as Analom Viloma, which basically means alternate nostril breathing. As the name suggests, we are going to be breathing in through one nostril and then switching to breathe out through another, and then you breathe in through that same nostril and then switch again to breathe out. It'll become clear as we go along. The benefits of using Analom Viloma breath is to reduce stress, relieve anxiety, help with insomnia and other sleep disorders, lowering blood pressure, decreasing heart rate, improving mental acuity, memory retrieval, and also just to make you feel a lot calmer in general. Over the years, I have suffered with depression and anxiety disorder and sometimes have had panic attacks. And Analom Viloma has really helped me with these situations. A lot of people who have chronic pain, for example from arthritis or fibromyalgia, have also told me that after a class and learning how to do Analom Viloma, they have reduced their pain by quite a significant amount, which is absolutely fabulous. So let's begin. First of all, we need to create what's called a Pranayama Mudra. Now, a mudra is just a shape that you put your hands into. So, for example, when we say Namaste, we have our hands in Namaskar Mudra, which is basically our palms and fingers pressed together in general greeting. Now, a Pranayama Mudra is where we close our hands into a fist, and then we release the little and the ring finger together. You may need to support your fingers in that way. And then release the thumb at the same time. You can hold the index and the middle finger in the crook of your thumb. If this is too much for you, then you can initially start with just the little finger and the thumb, but do try to get the ring finger out as well. It does actually help, as there are nerves that run up and into the brain that really do help with the stress relieving. So let's start. The first thing you need to do is to close the right nostril with your thumb. Obviously, if you're left-handed, then you'll be closing the right nostril with your fingers. Always use your dominant hand. So closing the right nostril with your thumb, and then inhale nice and softly through your left nostril. Now, with your ring finger and your index finger, close the left nostril and release the thumb from your right nostril and exhale. Now inhale through your right nostril. Then close the right nostril with your thumb and release the left nostril and exhale. Now inhale through your left nostril. Close the left nostril, open the right nostril and exhale. Inhale right. Switch and exhale left. Inhale through the left nostril. And switch and exhale right. Let's keep going. Inhale right. And switch nostrils and exhale left. Inhale left. And switch nostrils and exhale right. Let's keep going. Inhale. Switch left, exhale. Inhale left. Switch right, exhale. Inhale right. Switch left, exhale. Inhale left. Switch right, exhale. Inhale right. Switch left, exhale. Inhale left. Switch and right, exhale. Inhale right. Switch and left, exhale. Inhale left. Switch right, exhale. Inhale right. Switch and finally left, exhale. And release your hand. This is the wonderful thing about Analoma Viloma, is that it does a very good job of calming you down in even the most anxious and stressful situations. I have used this pranayama for a very long time now, and it really does help me to reduce my stress and anxiety levels, and has even prevented on occasion me having a panic attack, full-blown panic attack. I also suffer with some arthritic joints, and it has actually reduced the level of pain down quite considerably, especially if I go and do a session of Analoma Viloma in first thing in the morning after I wake up, and then last thing at night before I go to sleep. It means that I do actually feel quite calm and released all this wonderful dopamine into my system, which helps inflammatory systems to calm. Now we can also do just one nostril breathing. When we breathe into the left side of our nose through our left nostril, this is known as lunar breath or moon breath. This is the yin side of our body, the right side of our brain. It's very good for cooling after you finish doing some exercise, or you're feeling quite warm in general, or maybe if you have a fever. But also it's calming, relaxing, and very helpful just before you go to sleep. Or if you need to be calm in a situation like an important meeting, it's very, very handy in that respect. So let's try some lunar breathing together. Putting your hand into a Pranayama Mudra once again, and just close the right nostril and softly breathing into the left nostril, in and out. No strain, no sound, just easy, calm breathing. Try and breathe into your belly at the same time. So inhale, belly rises. Exhale, belly falls. Let your eyes float closed if you're comfortable. And exhale. Try and elongate the breath with each inhale. Couple more breaths here. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Now release your hand. Open your eyes. I hope that was nice and calming. It certainly was for me. Now let's try something a little bit different, and let's try right nostril breathing, or solar breath, or sun breath. Solar breath is very handy when you want to invigorate yourself or to increase your brain activity, boost your metabolism and immune system as well. Just be careful if you're doing solar breathing before exercises, it can make you overheat a little. So just make sure that you stay well hydrated throughout. So let's again find the Pranayama Mudra. Release the little and the ring finger and the thumb holding the index and the middle finger in the crook of your thumb. Using your dominant hand, close off the left nostril and just breathing softly and normally, letting your belly inflate with every in-breath, and exhale, the belly goes back down to your relaxed state. Inhale. Nice and gently. Inhale. Go with your own breath. Inhale. Some people will be able to do the really slow breathing and others not so much, but just go with what's comfortable for you. And exhale. This is your practice, your time, your self-care. Do try and elongate the breath though, this really does help with this beautiful practice. A couple more breaths here, nice and gentle. Last one here, inhale. And release, exhale. Release the hand from the nose. Open your eyes. Breathe normally through both nostrils now. I hope you found today's class enjoyable. Please leave some comments below. Hit the like button for me, really does help my channel, and subscribe. Namaste.